नमस्कार. आमगले आत्तवरे जाल प्रोग्राम अंतू आम्ही अनिश्चितते याको इंदू हे कन्नड पद ऐकले आणि आमगले आता रंगपंचमी हे पद झालेले बे एरियाच्या चल्यांनी लायक कन डान्स केलेले तुम्ही पळेल. कॉमन फॅक्टर बिटवीन दीज टू is the person who wrote the lyrics to both these songs. आमका मस्त खुशी दिसता सर की आमका तांका आता मेळूक चान्स मेळता सर. So without further ado, we'll introduce you Sri Jayant Mam Kaikini. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. पूरा लोकांक हृत्पूर्वक नमस्कार फ्रॉम गोकर्ण. गोकर्ण मगल गांव आयिल्लो हांव काल बेंगलोर थावन. सो गोकर्णच्या गांवांत तुमगेल गार बैसून अमेरिकेंत आशिल्ले मगल पुरा कोंकणी बंधू भगिनी संगाती वार्तालाप करूंक म्हाका मस्त खुशी जाता सर. Very happy.
Jayant Kaikini is regarded as one of the most significant of the younger writers of Kannada today. He is a writer of short stories, film scripts, film lyrics, poetry, and is based in Bangalore. So ha Wikipedia's first sentence घेतला हांवें आणि ताक add करूंक he does essays, he writes books, he writes plays, he writes film dialogues, and many other facets related to film industry. And we are so honored that he is here. So with that, we'll start. Mama, एक common प्रश्न जना येता म्हळ्यार how तुगल journey Gokarn थावनु via Kumta, Dharwad, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and finally to Bengaluru into the film industry. तुगल हे journey कश आशिल्ले?
You ask for trouble now. म्हणा तू हे जर्नी विचारल्यार हांव उलोवच्या सुटकेला बंद करना. कडे प्रॉब्लेम जातलो तुमका. It was a very absorbing and evolving journey. Gokarn म्हळ्यार I always say Gokarn is a place. It's a crucible of. It's a pilgrim center. मस्त टुरिस्ट लोक येता असतात. मस्त जात्रा जाता हांगा. मस्त तेर जाता. हांगा फोक आर्ट आसा. आणि मस्त म्हळ्यार इट्स अ व्हेरी वायब्रंट चायल्डहूड मगल्या गोकर्ण गांवांत. आणि मगल पप्पा गौरीश कायकिणी तोय कन्नडाचो एक रायटर आशिल्लो आणि तो मास्तरू आशिल्लो. सो एक म्हणचे आमच्या गांवांत भजन, यक्षगान, नाटक कंपनी, सिनेमा हाजे एक वायब्रंट चायल्डहूड आशिल्लें. ते जायना पूण हांव कुमटांत कॉलेज कडे धारवाडांत युनिव्हर्सिटी म्हागले MSc बायोकेमिस्ट्री केल्लें हांवें. तो करूंक थंय वचूं गेल्लो. It opened me to a new literary space, Kannada literature. Thai mast writers आशिल्ले, बेंद्रे आशिल्लो तावडी थंय, शंपा जोशी आशिल्लो, NK कुलकर्णी आशिल्लो. म्हळ्यार हे रायटर्सांक पळयत आशिल्लो हांव. आणि इट वॉज म्हळ्यार कायंड ऑफ सायन्स आशिल्लें, आर्ट आशिल्लें आणि लायफ आशिल्लें. तें पुरायचें आणि हॉस्टेल लायफ आशिल्लें. तें म्हळ्यार एक म्हणचे इट गिव्स यू अ कायंड ऑफ अ डिफरंट फ्रीडम. सो अशें जावन म्हगेले ग्रोथ म्हळ्यार गोकर्णच्या चायल्डहूडाक माय एडल्टहूड ग्रोथ वॉज इन कुमटा एंड कॉलेज धारवाड, which opened me to various aspects of literature, arts, science, music, cinema, and human world. Then जायना पुढे I went to Bombay with a certificate in my MSc certificate घेऊन एक सहान suitcase घेऊन Mumbai in search of a new chapter in my life. So that Bombay really liberated me. म्हाका मस्त आवडलें. म्हण थंय 6-7 महिने हांगा थंय जॉब सोदता आशिल्लो. देन I got job in a Lupin Laboratory म्हणून एक pharmaceutical and म्हाका काम मेळ्ळें. Then I joined Vicks Vaporub factory, Procter and Gamble म्हणून. So and at Bombay into त्या वेळार it was a happening time. 70s was one of the most vibrant times in Indian context, whether it is cinema, whether it is art, whether it is music, whether it is literature. New cinema was emerging, new literature was emerging. थंय कर्नाटक संघ आशिल्ले, थंय वचून हांव पोएट्री रिडींग करता आशिल्लो. आणि न्यू सिनेमा अमोल पालेकरागल फिल्म्स, सत्यदेव दुबेगल हिंदी नाटक, गिरीश कार्नाडगल नवीन नाटक हे पुरा येता आशिल्ले त्या वेळार. सो अँड सो इट ओपन मी टू फर्दर इनटू दिस दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ न्यू थॉट, न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स अँड द ह्युमन वर्ल्ड. बॉम्बे गांवांत म्हाका आवडील म्हळ्यार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट लिबरेट्स अस फ्रॉम ऑल अवर हँगअप्स. आमी टी शर्ट खंयचे पूण बण्णाचे प्रिंट टी शर्ट घेतल्यार ते उंबळना पुढे ताजे प्रिंट वचू नये म्हणून उपराटी कोण सुकत घालतात पळय, तशी बॉम्बे गांवांनी म्हाका उपराटी कोण सुकत घालून सोडलें. सो आय वॉज एब्सोल्युटली लिबरेटेड अँड ऑलमोस्ट 23 years I stayed there and I was working with a biochemistry factory. कडे थंय सुद्दां म्हाका मगल बाय माय लायफ मेट आय मेट हर दॅट स्मिता म्हणून मगल बायल. ती थंय क्वालिटी कंट्रोलांत आशिल्ली थंय ती म्हाका मेळ्ळी आमी दोग जाणां वी डिसायड टू स्टार्ट लायफ टुगेदर सो एक नंबर इट वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग हांव केन्ना जोक म्हणचे आसता रब ने बना दी जोडी म्हणटात न्ही वी आर वर्किंग इन विक्स वेपर अप फॅक्टरी सो वेपर अप ने बना दी जोडी आमगेली म्हणून हांव सांगता आसता केन्ना सो from then what happened was I had to take a new career because the factory got closed in late 90s all subcontracting started zale so then I had to look for an alternative career after 23 years of being a biochemist I had to look for another career then I started using my writing talent to write ad jingles in Bombay at the same time ETV Kannada channel wanted to start Kannada channel for which I was designated in charge of Kannada channel. So Kannada ETV channel start करू का हांव बॉम्बे सोडून बेंगलोर आयलो त्या वेळार.
सो एक प्रश्न आशिल्लो तुम्ही तुगेले यू रेफर टू युअर डॅडी अँड युअर मॉम अम्मा तरी एक इंटरव्यून तुम्ही म्हणलेलं असं की इफ माय फादर वॉज मॅन ऑफ द मॅच माय मदर वॉज मॅन ऑफ द सिरीज ऑर द पर्सन ऑफ द सिरीज सो व्हॉट हॅज बीन द एक्झॅक्ट इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑफ युअर मदर what did you observe in her or how did she inculcate at tumgal hantu the creative aspect of your expressions?
The point is people influence us by not preaching by their lives how they live so she was the most liberated woman in a small town like Gokarn त्या वेळार ती municipality election आनी राबता आशिल्ली she was a social worker she was the advocate of family planning in folk tribe आणि मस्त काम करता आशिल्ली ती सो अँड माय फादर वॉज ताका हे म्हणटा व्यवहार ज्ञान नाशिल्लें म्हाका पप्पाक बरी वाचचें लेक्चर करचें बरोवचें तितलें सोडल्यार ताका आनी कसलें गूत नाशिल्लें सो माय मदर टूक केअर ऑफ ऑल हीज मटेरियलिस्टीक नीड्स लायक घर पळोवंक हें पुरे तिणेच करचें आशिल्लें म्हळ्यार पप्पाक इवन ही डिडंट नो हाव टू मॅनेज कॅश ही डिडंट नो वॉट वॉज मनी अबाउट तितलें थंय म्हगेले आम्माने तें शी टूक केअर ऑफ द एंटायर थिंग अँड द हाऊस वेर आय एम सिटींग नाव from where I am speaking with lot of pride about Gokarn. This house was also because of her only. तिने ते प्लॅन करून त्या काळात घर बांधून त्यावेळेस स्टॉल एक रूम बांधले इकडे अनेक रूम बांधले इकडे अनेक रूम बांधले इकडे वयर एक अशी कोण घेऊन तिने शी बिल्ट अप दिस सेंटर दिस इज माय एपी सेंटर रादर आय कॉल इट वेरेवर ते म्हापशी काला जात्रेन तू त्या बलूनाचे एक डॉल मेळत आशिल्लें तुम्ही वयर उडयल्यार ते कशी केली तरी स्ट्रेट येवन तुका पडता आशिल्लें मात ते वयर कोण तशी तुम्ही म्हाका हे कॉस्मोसान तू खंय उडया ती हांव येवन परत पडची गोकर्णचे ह्या घरान तुची सो दॅट एपिसेंटर वॉज मेड बाय माय मदर सो आय ऑलवेज शी इज अ बिग वर्च्यू अँड शी इज अ बिग इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑन मी
ओके तशीच मम्मा तुमकां इंटरव्यून तुम्ही म्हळ्यार चित्ताल माम अँड मेनी अदर स्टालवर्ड्स ऑफ द कन्नडा लिटरेचर इन मुंबई तुमकां मस्त इन्फ्लुएन्स जाला तांगेलो तरी ताजे बद्दलची केन्ना आमकां opinion दिल्यार
Chittal Mom was also from North Canara. He was also a fellow Konkaniga. He was from Gangadhar Chittal was elder brother. Yashwant Chittal is younger brother. Dr. Jana Kannada is one of the maverick kind of writers. One is a poet, another is a fiction writer. Right. So when I was in Bombay, I had already read him, but as a person, he influenced me in very, like he always said, I don't write what I know. I write to know म्हणता म्हाका कल गोत आसा तें हांव सांगू भायर सर न्ही तावळी इट विल बी व्हेरी प्रिटेन्शियस दॅट आय नो समथींग यू गायज आर नॉट नोईंग एनीथिंग हांव तुमकां सांगता असं म्हणून हांव स्वामीजी प्रवचन दिवतलो मनुष्य न्ही बट रायटिंग इज अ मोड ऑफ थॉट मी फॉर मी वेन आय रायट दॅट्स माय मोड ऑफ थॉट सो दिस कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स विच रियली इन्फ्लुएन्स मी डीपली अँड दॅट लिबरेटेड मी आणि एक पण म्हाका एक प्राइज मेळ्ळें एक स्टोरी खंयची मॅगझिनाचो तावळी हांव ताका घार उजगेल तावळताना म्हाका कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स जयंत म्हणालो ही हग्ड मी अँड ही कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटेड मी देन ही सेड एक उगडास जावन घे प्राइज आयले तुगेल स्टोरीक तुक न्हय म्हणालो
रायट
द अवॉर्ड इज फॉर युअर स्टोरी नॉट फॉर यू म्हणालो बट दॅट लिबरेटेड मी बिकॉज नाव पीपल थिंक अवॉर्ड्स ऑनर्स आर ऑल फॉर द फॉर अस एज एन इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हणून नो इट इज फॉर द वर्क बिकॉज द वर्क हॅज नॉट जस्ट हॅपन्ड आउट ऑफ ओनली वन इंडिव्हिज्युअल There are people who are beyond that work and it's a different world. When you write, you are not the same me. The world is with you. The society is with you. Mankind is with you. Pura melun jalle te work ashil mite. It's a celebration for everybody, not for one biological name mantan sangile. So like that, Yashwant Chittal, Arvind Nadkarni, Vyasrai Ballad, Tevalari, K.K. Habbar, painter, they all influenced me by their work and by their vision.
Okay, fantastic. And Magir Mama, the next follow-up question I have is, Magiri, तुम्ही बेंगळूर याना पडाय. Eventually, you would have established yourself. तरी when was it तुमक दिसले की आपण बाबा आता बेंगळूर, I have established myself, I have made a name for myself, आणि आता हांव त्या रितीनेची, त्या स्टँडर्डाची, त्या मट्टाक हांव रीच जावंका आणि अशी असं काम करका म्हणून केन्ना तुमका ते भास आयलो की आय एम नाव समवन इन बेंगलोर अशी?
ना म्हाका तें तशें केन्ना नाशिल्लें. म्हाका आय एम दॅट वे आय एम लिटल विचित्र हांव चिके. म्हाका लोक चित्र साहिती म्हणटा ते हांव विचित्र साहिती म्हणून सांगून घेता. हांव चित्र साहिती न्हय, विचित्र साहिती म्हणून. कल्या म्हळ्यार तशी म्हाका केन्ना गोल आनी एम्बिशन नाशिल्लें. आय वॉज नेवर एम्बिशियस. Otherwise, I would not have done all these kinds of works. If suppose I just wanted to become a scientist, I would have been just biochemist. Suppose I just wanted to be a poet, I would have been just that. I'm not self-driven. I'm driven by the circumstances. And but whatever comes my way, I will give my best and do it. So when this Mungaru Mala, when this Chitra, this Rajkumar film came, that was Nagabharana was the director. He said, you have to write script. I accepted it because it was based on a novel by Shivram Karanth, whom we revered. And the Rajkumar family is producing it. So another big bonus. So I just went because I thought I would interact with him, who is my childhood idol.
Right.
So I learned a lot in his presence when we were discussing script. So then Hazel thought about this Yogaraj Bhatt came to me for lyrics for Mungaru Male. So I didn't think I want to be a lyricist because if I wanted to be a lyricist, I would have done it 25 years ago when I was in Bombay itself.
Right.
See, tashi nashilte. Amaka lyricist zaka manu kenna manant nashile. I just wanted to write poetry and short stories. Whatever, I was happy with that. But now that industry came to me asking me, you are a writer, you write for film also.
Got it.
I grabbed it. I didn't have any kind of a, some people have that madivantike mantat pade. Anuala malari cinema malarkalki na ba body writing karta mante. I was quite liberal. And for me, every piece of art, anything it is very precious. So I agreed. And luckily, Mungaru Male became luckily for all of us, people liked it. So then again, I start getting new work. In a way, but the settlement feeling as settled in life. Bombay word I use settled. The Bangalore settled. Actually, settled last Magal Prakara.
Yes.
Till that time, the turmoil, the restlessness, the search for the new, search for the unfamiliar, finding for the familiar in unfamiliar, and finding for the unfamiliar in the familiar. This goes on. So that way, it's a very enigmatic and exciting and restless journey. So Bangalore provided me that space to learn many more skills. So Bombay was Kayakave Kailasa, work is worship. And in Gokarna, Kailasave Kayaka. Worship is work here. Gokarna Kshetra Anto. That is the main thing. Right. So I went from a place where worship was work to a place where work was worship. So a kind of a donni side enrichment zalla. Bangalore perhaps provided me because I came at now 45 a kind of a all streams getting together. A kind of a different level. Whatever came my way, I could do it without much of ambitious itch or anything. Let us enjoy doing this. One thing is Javed Akhtar Javed Akhtar, the poet and lyricist of Hindi, who wrote Sholay and Diwar kind of things. If you don't enjoy while you writing, when you are writing something, nobody can enjoy that. First, आमकां खुशी दिवं का आमी बरयतना आमकां खुशी जालवे त्या वाचतल्याक आयकतल्याक सुद्दां खुशी मेळटा. मोमेंट आय जस्ट टेक इट एज एन असाइनमेंट. म्हाका पॉप्युलर जावचें आसा, म्हाका फिल्मांत बरोवचें आसा म्हण केल्यार तें जायना. I have to intensely forget myself and give my best. So that kind of a crucible Bangalore provided me. So I am very much thankful to Bangalore for that.
And we watched on Wikipedia the list of Sahitya Academy Awards, the Filmfare Awards for lyrics in the past so many years. and all the other awards and the PhD from Tumkur University. We are so proud. And the other beautiful aspect, Mary, you are so approachable and easy to talk to. One of the unique celebrities who is so approachable.
It's pleasure. I mean,
Okay.
I always feel, I believe that we are all extensions of each other.
Got
We
it.
are all extensions of each other. There is a collective experience we are reaching out. The moment we feel we are exclusive, then we are losing something very vital.
Right.
आम्ही पुरा मेळलो, we are in search of something.
Got it.
The jigsaw puzzle म्हण आसता पळय म्हाका सांचेर वांगल मेळत पळय jigsaw
हा.
puzzle ते
वय, वय.
pieces लायता वच्चे ते एक व्हड पिक्चर जाता.
वय, वय.
तशी जी ह्युमन पिक्चर एक पीस एक लागे कसा रामा लागे कसं आगला गोकर्णा लागे कसं मग लागे कसं आम्हाला बस ड्रायव्हर लागे कसं ऑटो रिक्षा वाला लागे कसं सो दॅट पीस इज इन एव्हरीबडी.
Right.
As the pieces come together, we get the feel of a real larger thing towards a more evolved state.
Okay.
And art and literature bring those pieces together, bring those places where they are supposed to be. अशी म्हणावं लागतं. अशें जावन more simple you are, more intense you can live the life. आणि कसले ना.
Okay.
आमगेर भाषा आणि आमगेर कल्चर आम्ही कशी व्हरोंक येता म्हणून एक तुमगेर एक कशी एडवाइस आमकां आसता.
First of all, Konkani Malari, it's been a very hearteningly very domestic language. Literary language wingada, conversation language wingada, kitchen language wingada, drawing room language wingada, asla man-made divisions bifurcations na. Konkani Mala Konkani. Are kashyat re, aram jawl chal immediately. So that informality of a language, informality of expression is essence of our Konkani language. आणि आम्ही कोंकणीच पळय, we are nomads. So when you are in a nomad kind of a heritage on you, you don't have much of baggages to carry. A traveler cannot have lot many baggages. He can't travel smooth. So in a way we are very transparent. आता तू महाराष्ट्रात तू कोंकणी उलयला ते पुरा तुका मराठी लँग्वेज मेळटा. तू गोवन कोंकणात तू पोर्तुगीज वर्ड्स मेळटा ती. You come to Karnataka and must Kannada words येतात. You go to Malayalam, थंय गेल्यार थंय पुरा Malayalam words येतात. So it's a beautiful thing. हांव ते केन्ना language and culture म्हणतात पळय, I look it from a liberal point of view. Let us not be very rigid. आम्ही एक क्वेश्चन आमकां घालूंक घेवका. Should we make culture a museum or a garden? Whether language and culture, should it be a museum or should it be a forest or a garden? I'm for forest or garden. It has to absorb today's light, today's oxygen, today's water, and bloom towards today's sun. So then it becomes more, it becomes very lively. It becomes, living language, living culture. Language, like car battery, car battery. When you use car, the battery gets charged. If you don't use it, it doesn't get charged. Same way, the language gets charged when we use it, and we automatically get charged from that language. So, आम्ही उलोवची केन्ना बंद करू ना, आणि whatever expressions like literature, that space we have to maintain. Then only today's life will come into the literature. Early I said, literature is a mode of thought evolved by man. Moment you write, you are thinking through the writing. So, Konkani आम्ही literature use करू सुरू केले. The vision, the sensibility, it will become more deeper, more wider. So, as Ram said, it is a very valid question because there is so much of variety. So, how language has to survive and it can assimilate, it can accumulate. Okay. Thank you, Maka. Bari Kush Zali, because you have already spent a lot of time with my works. You are so much of, and this, it really humbles me. And I'm really humbled, and I'm looking forward to meet you all whenever you are here next time. Let us hope the things become, these clouds will clear away. And in fact, I always wanted to tell many of my people in my field and all, this is a time for us to, because this COVID has given us an opportunity in a different way to rediscover ourselves, to take a pause. So, Bari Khushi Zali, Dr. Zananka, Milind Ram, Ani Otto, whoever is listening to this, Tumkupura Magala, Rutpurvaka नमस्कारू क्रिसमस येत क्रिसमस बरे जावं आणि नंतर संक्रांती येत संक्रांती बरे जावं नवीन वर्ष ಒಟ್ಟು
Right.
लोकांक एक नवीन उजवाडू आणि बागील काढणं नवीन एक हेल्थ अँड हॅपीनेस अँड रेस्टलेसनेस देव म्हणून सांगता. नमस्कार.